All I wanna hear.
Check time, yeah.
All I wanna hear. All I wanna hear. All I wanna hear.
Check time, yeah.
I'm ready to go, baby, anywhere for you. No, I mean it. I'm happy to know, honey, that you're here with me. So excited. No, if not maybe. I love you every single day. Don't think I'm crazy when you hear me say I will die for you. Don't care what they do. I will die for you. Girl, my love is true.
All I wanna hear.
No, my love is true. Yeah.
Watch me now. Over your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up just to be your guy. Over your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up just to be your guy. I hope and pray and wish you'd be mine. From then till now, till the end of time. I dreamt of you and I in paradise. On my mind, girl, you give me sleepless night. Romance, sexually designed. Different from the rest, girl, top of the line. Over your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up just to be your guy. Over your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up just to be your guy.
Them times you could just do a bogle and you're good. You're sure there was not risk of any insurance issues, no spinning out. Anywho, that was Matt Cabra featuring Richie Stevens.
No Walking Dead kind of thing. You know, them
Nobody-
zombie movie and
nobody
see people
jumping
that
off
are running there.
top of a
Nobody is
thing to-
missing some dogs made of weird.
Throw in a garbage pan and then
Yeah.
things
Put
were
things-
so simple then.
When did we?
Yeah. Anywho, as I was saying, Matt Cabra featuring Richie Stevens, or Richie Stevens featuring Matt Cabra, which one was it? Declaring their dying love for a female companion. But what happens when a relationship goes sour? Is it more difficult to say goodbye to your partner or to your friend? You know what time it is, folks? It's time for Girl Talk. Yeah, what are you saying? And what again?
All right.
Yeah, okay.
EliteDaily.com
Yeah. I'm listening.
published an article. Reasons breaking up with a friend is so much harder than with a partner. Emphasis on the word friend.
Yes. So I've had to learn in life the hard way
Yeah.
that sometimes when you think you have too many,
Yeah.
that you don't really have so many.
Yeah.
And sometimes we have, as
Associates.
ladies, yes, we use the word loosely, but really and truly you have to do an audit of the people who are around you, because not everybody who is around you is for you, even
Right.
though they might say they are. I learned that lesson in high school, actually, through a very painful incident in high school. And from then it has kind of guided my life. So
Yeah.
the friends I had 10 years ago are the same friends I
Yeah,
had
man.
20 years ago.
Yeah, man.
And I can count them on one hand. And I think that's generally...
Colleagues and associates are different from saying this is my friend. Because friend, yeah.
Yeah, friend, no things.
That word is serious
Yeah.
to me.
Which is why this article is positing that when you break up with a friend, it's harder than when you break up with a partner. Do you agree or do you disagree?
In some instances, I think if your partner is your friend, then it's difficult, because if this is somebody that you've come to lean on and somebody that you've come to share issues with, and this is your rock.
Or that you were friends with before, because if your relationship not really built on that foundation, then
Right.
it's
So
going to
if
be
you have to,
problems.
and then you realize you're losing a friend, then that's a problem.
So I'm gonna lose a friend.
Yeah,
All right.
man. So if I call you my friend, that's what Jennifer Roslin says. I love you with every fiber of my being. So once you enter my circle, you're in my circle.
Yeah.
So it really is difficult to say, look, man, you're out of my circle.
So this point is saying your friends will know stuff about you that no boyfriend has ever or will ever know. And a true friend is a comrade, a confidant, and your partner in crime. You sit and you share with them your innermost thoughts, your innermost feelings. They say us at our best, our funniest, or drunkest. No. Lowest and most vulnerable points, and yet they still choose
be a friend.
to love us. So that's one of the reasons why she says it's harder.
Yeah.
I'd like to think, though, that if you have a partner, Delia, as you said, who is your friend, that partner would know all those things as well.
I don't know. I think some of it, but I
What would you
think,
define as partner, though? We're stopping at boyfriend or we're going to husband?
I think even if it's your husband, I don't know if every woman can honestly say, my
That's true.
husband knows
Everything. That's true.
about me. I don't know if a woman can honestly say that.
And there are some things for true that you will share with a friend that you will just not.
Yeah.
Or your friend might have information from way back when in the dizzles that you keep on.
You know, because you might have grown and you said, you know, why am I going to share something
Right.
that...
Okay.
Why does he need to know I cheated on my exam? Some little things like that.
I didn't tell anybody. Why you had to tell everybody? All right. Next one. There is no quick fix for heartbreak.
Yeah.
But, says this article, a lover can be replaced.
Really?
Jeez, get
Just so?
somebody.
Just so?
And eventually, when you do meet somebody else, the pain, while never truly forgotten, is certainly lessened when you find happiness with your new partner. Friendships don't play by the same rules and the same numbers game as lovers do. You are expected to be upset about a relationship ending, but a friendship ending, there are no clear-cut rules on how we're supposed to respond to that. And because there isn't a limit, says this article, to how many friends you can have, when someone decides they no longer want you as one of theirs, that's something that seriously hurts. I think that's how much you value that person, because people leave your life for different reasons. And if you are willing to reconcile that, you know, this person leaving your life, while sad may be for the best, then eventually I think that helps you to kind of get over it, if you can. At least to heal and move on, I think. Okay, this next one is something. Go on, Miss Aris.
Everything you've ever said or done can and will be used against you.
In
And
a
I
court
want
of
to
law.
say that person was never your friend. If you and a friend have an argument on everything you've said, and this here is a reason why some people, I have them around me, but they're no longer my friend. Because if I hear that I told you something and then you went and you were talking about it,
Leakers.
yeah, then that's not me. I'm not into it with you. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, if it's your friend and stop talking and then you want to go tell everybody everything.
Worse in
No,
this
sir.
era of social media where people are so cruel
Yes.
that some people will go far enough to put things out there that you told them in confidence
Yeah.
to their followers. Sometimes they have 3 followers, so it's not really an issue, but then sometimes they have 3,000. And depending on what's going on and how juicy it is, it can go viral, and then you end up looking.
Simone, you're so right, and social media has escalated the problem. I've seen relationships end and men gone on Facebook and say,
Terrible.
oh, she can't stay there because I don't even know if the last 3 picnic are my own. And then she said, make him go because he did have a woman over. And I'm like, why are we having this conversation?
And then you take that and you write a play. I see you, Harris.
Me? What, sir?
Your plays are very true to life.
Yeah, but
All
I
of
know
that is
people
material.
think like that, Mariah.
No, not that necessarily that particular situation, but
Oh, yeah.
it addresses issues like that. We
Yeah.
have one more. Lovers are like ice cream. Friendship is like sand. Okay. If you drop your ice cream on the floor, wah, 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 but you can't just go and buy a new, but you can go buy a new one that will taste just as good. But friends, they say, are like grains of sand. Every single grain of sand is completely unique. And once a friendship has slipped through your fingers, there's never any real way of replacing it. But if
Well,
you're in Jamaica, you can buy sand. So
I think
lose
if
that
you're
sand,
a
you can
friend,
buy
you should
some.
value being a friend. Sometimes I
Yes,
think we're
ma'am.
very hard on relationships. And we say, as a man, you never did this and you never did that. But if your friend don't do it, you're a little less critical of your friend. Like if you don't hear from your friend, you will say, oh, you never call me. But if the man not call you, say, you don't love me because you did not call me.
Expect more of your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. And hold them to a higher standard probably than you
Yes,
with your partner.
please.
Because trust me. All right.
All right.
Anything you want to say to your friends before we go?
Not a thing. My friend them know some of them have nothing for say till me see them.
Okay, well, that's it for Girl Talk.